Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to reshare an old video of mine which is Anglo-Indian chicken Junglee Pulao. As you know, we used to call a pulao that we used to make in a hurry with no specific ingredients or no specific measurements for the ingredients as Junglee Pulao. You know, the word Junglee came from somebody that was rough and with no finesse, and this is what Anglo-Indian Junglee Pulao is all about. So I hope you're going to enjoy this way of making a Junglee Pulao that I've been making all these years. So do keep watching, and as you can see, it's a very simple recipe and you'll surely like it. So come, let's get started with baking our Anglo-Indian Junglee Pulao. So you would need green chillies, onions, chopped tomatoes, coriander and mint. Then you would need bay leaves, cardamoms, cloves and cinnamon. Of course, Basmati rice or any other rice that you like to make your pulao with, ginger garlic paste and ghee and oil. You would also need chilli powder, turmeric, garam masala powder and salt. So first of all, you take 500 grams of chicken curry cut, add ginger garlic paste, cinnamon, cloves, salt and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Add some water to this and boil it till just tender. So once the chicken is boiled, you switch off the heat and keep it aside. Now we'll start with the making of the pulao. So you heat a mixture of oil and ghee in a pan. All the measurements are given in the directions, so you could follow the recipe. And to this, once it's hot, you can add in a chopped onions and sauté for a little while. Fry for a little while. I'm just using the pressure cooker, but I'm not going to pressure cook it. Okay, then you add chopped green chillies. Let this fry for a little while. Now you add in your whole spices, your bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, and saute till it gives out a nice aroma and the onions turn light brown. So keep mixing and frying, and it will give it a very nice aroma. So once it comes to light brown, you can now see that it's frying well. So we are going to add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. So you fry this well for a few minutes till the raw smell goes. Just maybe 1 or 2 minutes would do. Just keep frying, and once you see the oil leaving the sides, you could add in 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. You can also add in your garam masala at this time, and then add in your tomato juice. So mix well and keep frying. You can see once the oil begins to leave the sides of the mixture, you can add in your chopped coriander and mint leaves. Fry well. So keep frying for a little while, and you can see that the mixture or the masala starts getting firm, and you can see the oil separating from the mixture. So now what we can do is, we'll add in a boiled chicken and mix it in gently. So mix mix gently. Let the chicken take on the masala and simmer for a couple of minutes. Now you can add in salt to taste. Again mix gently. Mix it all well. Mix gently. And now we are going to add in our 2 measures of water. So as you know, for every measure of rice that you put in, you add 2 measures of water. So 2 measures of water we added, and now we are going to bring it to boil. Bring it nicely to boil. Once it's boiling, we'll add in a washed and drained raw rice. So now you add the rice and mix well. Mix well. Okay, now let it cook for a little while on medium heat till it starts bubbling. Then cover the vessel and cook on low heat till the biryani or the pulao is ready. Let it rest for some time and then separate it gently with a fork. As you can see, our delicious Anglo-Indian chicken Junglee pulao is now ready. So you could serve this with any side dish that you like, or a chicken curry, or just with a salad or a raita. And so if you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Bridget White and Recipes. Thank you, take care, and God bless.